That's true, Diamond Dave. Space does rock, but today we're talking about space rocks. You know, asteroids.
Oh. Whoa! Wow, that's really heavy, Mr. Voice.
That's right, Dave. Asteroids are very heavy. The most common element in asteroids is iron. They also contain other metallic elements and silicates. Asteroids are the ancient rocky remnants of the early solar system.
You know, Mr. Voice, if you're going to talk about asteroids, you really need to have my friend Mr. T here. He's the national spokesperson for asteroid danger awareness. Come on in, Mr. T.
Welcome, Mr. T. Or can we call you Rex? Most asteroids in the solar system are located in an area between Mars and Jupiter. We call this area the asteroid belt. These are kept in this area by the gravitational pull of Jupiter.
Well, that doesn't sound too bad, does it, Rex?
However, every now and then something can upset this balance. If two asteroids collide, they can be pushed into different orbits. Sometimes they can be broken into smaller pieces, which can also be thrown into the inner solar system. If they come close to the orbit of our Earth, they are known as near-Earth objects, or NEOs. There are thousands of NEOs in our area that scientists monitor at all times.
Whoa! That's starting to get kind of close to home.
Most of these NEOs are very small and not very dangerous. Earth is hit by thousands of tiny space objects every day. Most of these objects are as small as specks of sand or tiny pebbles. They burn up in the upper atmosphere. We see these at night as meteors. Some are tiny and dim, while others can be very bright. The majority of the meteors we see at night are the leftover dust from comets.
We can really see these things? Let's see. Oh, there's one! No, that's an airplane. There's another one! No, that's a satellite. There's one! Ow! What was that? A meteor? Huh. What's the chance of me getting hit by a meteor?
Larger objects sink deeper into our atmosphere and can be very exciting. In 1908, a large NEO entered the atmosphere of Tunguska, Russia, and exploded in the air above the surface of the Earth. This left an explosion in a massive crater in the ground and leveled and burned trees for miles in all directions. Luckily, there were no people in the area. In 2013, another object exploded in the air above Chelyabinsk, Russia. This time, there were people in the area, and the damage and injuries were extensive. Even though scientists were looking for NEOs, they didn't see this one coming.
Wow! 2 big events in Russia? Those Russians have all the luck. What?
Some of the denser or larger objects can make it to the surface of the Earth. When this happens, they leave impact craters behind. Some of these craters are very large and can be seen on the surface of the Earth today. The Earth has been hit many times during its existence, and it could happen again at any time.
Dude, that's devastating!
Quite true, Dave. In fact, scientists believe that 65 million years ago, a large meteor impacted the Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula. The crater is beneath the ocean now, but geologists have discovered evidence of its existence. This impact caused global catastrophes and climate changes that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. They ruled the Earth for over 250 million years, and they were wiped out by one impact.
No way! Did you even think those space rocks could take us out? Well, you've convinced me, Mr. Voice. I'm gonna do my part to save the world from asteroids. I'm gonna lay on the beach every night and stare at the sky and make sure nothing comes our way. I don't think he's gonna be much help, though. His brain's only as big as a walnut.
We now return to our normal program.